Welcome to the STEM Club, where we make learning fun for you. My name's Liam and today we are doing an unboxing of the Climate Change Understanding Global Warming Science Kit. So this kit is by a company called Wild Environmental Science. If we look on the box, it says that this has been made to learn about things like greenhouse gases, carbon emissions, weather versus climate, burning fossil fuels, and of course the rising sea levels as well. You get like a little bit of an idea on the box, what sort of stuff you'd be able to see. Look on the other side of the box as well. You get to see a bit more of a better example of what the actual kit would look like. So you have like a bowl that would have different sort of parts to the kit in, with like a little sort of plastic bowl over it as well to keep everything in. So we've got little cactuses with thermometers, so that would show the greenhouse effect that you can see there. You can also see ocean currents as well, and you would melt ice at some points, so that would sort of show how the ice caps are melting and how they sort of show the oceans rising as well. And you can also, I found out you can also grow your own crops and eat them as well. So they do recommend that there aren't any seeds included in this little box, but they do give you little recommendations of what seeds to go for. So it's recommended that you use mung beans, cress, wheat or radishes, or any other seed or plant that is fast growing and it's healthy and cheap as well. So we are doing the unboxing of this because in June it has been World Environment Day and World Oceans Day as well, so they were earlier in the month. And we did a little post on the STEM Club's Instagram to celebrate this, so I would definitely recommend taking a look at that. But of course, you know, climate change is such an important thing in the future. We want to think about sustainability in our future, not just our futures but our family futures as well. So there's a little bit of a description on the bottom left hand side of the box. And it basically says the climate change kit makes sense of global weather systems and the impact of human activity. It works just like planet Earth, and you can see on the box it looks just like it as well. So you can see that there's little stickers that surround the bowl that is supplied in this box. You can basically make it like your own little Earth. You'll be using real apparatus to conduct different scientific experiments. That'll be sure to start, thrill and amaze everyone who takes part. Now I must say the opportunities for this kit are completely endless. As I mentioned before, you can grow and eat your own crops, you can make a desert out of things, you can see how different ice glaciers are formed and how they melt as well. You can see how the little oceans rise in this box as well. How about we get it open? So this little box itself, you know, even though it is quite small, it does pack quite a punch with, you know, the things that are included in here. You know, things including, you know, a pair of goggles, a beaker, there's blue food colouring as well for the ocean, a moulded base, so we'll be able to see that in just a second, with like a nice little sort of plastic dome that goes over the top of things. There's a safety sheet as well that you can sort of write different things on. There is of course a little instruction booklet, but there is so much more in this little box that we'll see in just a second. Now just getting the box open, and there's a lot of stuff spilling out already. So like I said, it does pack quite a mean punch. I'll open this up, just plastic bits you can see here. There's little tweezers, there's thread, you can see the blue food colouring in there as well. You've got your goggles as well, so let's try these on for size. Yeah, they fit me quite nicely. As we pull a little bit more out of the box, let's see, we've got, now this is really the sort of big selling point of the box. This is where you'll be making your own little world. So this is the brown earth bowl and the little plastic lid that comes on top. So you put that all on there and then you can start just putting little different things on. Let's pull some more stuff out of the box. So you can see I mentioned before the stickers that are included. These are the stickers that you wrap around the bowl. A nice little beaker to do your measurements with. Our instruction booklet, so this is quite a big instruction booklet. In total, 27 pages, and then at the end, you've got your data bank. So if you do want to record any data, then you can do on here. There are little bits that aren't included in the box. It's recommended that you use an old tea towel or cloth, A pair of scissors will be needed, as well as an old bowl, a pen or pencil of course for gathering your data, some water that you can just get out of any tap, and finally access to a freezer from your fridge as well, just to melt some of the water to show what the ice caps melting look like. Let's get a little bit further into the box. Now you've got your little safety information on here, little spinning wheels. Once again, this is stuff that is all included in the box. Put that down there. And then we've got 2 nice bags of sand as well. So like we said, you can irrigate deserts from this little box and it all goes into there. Now there's a lot to play with, there's a lot to use in this box. This set is recommended for children aged 8 and over. So if you are turning 8, make sure to ask your mum and dad to go onto the STEM Club and have a look at it. Right, let's get into putting these little things together, shall we? I'm just going to stick that there for the time being. Put the stickers on. And this is going to be a little bit long-winded. But they actually are numbered as well, the little stickers. So there's 1, 2, 3. And it all means a different part of the world. Alright, the earth is around the bowl. Now the next step is to pop out these little thermometer pieces. Then you can find the pieces of the thermometer, the stickers of the thermometer, just in this little bag here, along with the other stuff. Okay, we've got our 2 thermometers here, and you can actually see just slightly that they are showing off the temperatures in the room that I'm in at the moment. So one of them says 28 degrees, and the other one also says 28 degrees, so it's quite hot in this room today. I'm going to do a few more steps off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, now I have followed the instruction book, and this is as far as I've gotten. So we've got the little bowl made, and you can probably hear by the little rattling there. We've got some wind turbines installed here as well. So basically these 2 things counteract each other. So if I blow into this side, then the other side will start spinning in the other direction. So I'll just give you a quick example. So as you can see, I blew into that side, and then you saw that side started spinning. So they counteract each other, and that is just one of the many things that happens in this climate change kit. As you can see, everything's all laid out here. You've got the goggles that I had on my head before, you've got the main centerpiece itself. In this book here as well, there are so many different things that you can do with it. There's lots of different instructions. There's things that, you know, really sort of make you realize how much the world depends on things like ice and water and keeping the temperature down, of course, as well. And we've got a couple of bags of sand here as well, so if you wanted to do anything with deserts, that's something that you could do too. But this is the Climate Change Understanding Global Warming Kit. It's available at the STEM Club. Do make sure to take a look. Make sure you subscribe to the STEM Club channel as well, because we will have more content like this. This is the first one, but we'll have a lot more content like this in the near future. So make sure to subscribe, keep an eye on our website, and make sure to follow our social media pages as well at the STEM Club UK. Thanks for watching though, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.